Hey guys, it's Kieran here. Just a quick video just to let you know I'm going to be working with the Funded Traders Global, that's FTG. I reached out to them on Instagram over the last few weeks because I saw the potential. I saw Craig posting himself and putting the transparency out there on Instagram, and that's sort of what we're looking to work with at the moment. I had a lot of messages from people as well asking if we're going to be doing any free giveaways or working with any proper firms again. So I am excited to announce that we are going to be working actively for a long time with Funded Traders Global, and they're also going to be sponsoring our live streams on our Discord and YouTube moving forward. So let's take a quick look at the Funded Traders Global and why I actually chose them and why I'm recommending them to you. Okay. So the main reasons I'm recommending them, because as I reached out to them on Instagram, this is the Funded Traders Global. You can see here, this is Craig, one of the main personnel in the marketing team and operations directors for the Funded Traders Global. And I really appreciated how he was putting himself out there in all of his content and really actively working to market the company instead of just posting graphic content like this that you see a lot of the prop firms sort of hiding behind nowadays. So after a short conversation with them, I started doing some due diligence to make sure that they were a company we wanted to work with. And they have one-step funding challenges. So instead of having to pass 2 phases, you only have to pass 1 phase, which is 10%. Now, one of the main things is with the funded accounts, the real funded accounts, they give you real money. So a lot of prop firms at the moment, what they're actually doing is even when you move on to the funded account process, they're still giving you a demo account, and then they're classing your payout, if you get the payout, as a compensation. So it's very important to know that the prop firm, once you pass that challenge, that you are going to be on those real funds. You don't have any time limit on passing the challenge, so there's no stress added to your trading venture. You can sort of take it as you go. If obviously you start with a little bit of bad run, that's okay. You don't need to then rush it to get it done in a certain time. You can see here accounts are fully scalable up to 500,000. So even though you may start on a 25,000 account, you can scale that with every sort of payout. Now obviously with a trailing stop loss, you have to make sure then that your payout doesn't take you below that, but as long as you do so, you can keep scaling the account and getting payouts from that one account. And they're collaborated with 8gap, which is a world-class broker that supports over 300 asset classes and over 180 countries supported. You can also get spreads from as low as 0.0, so if you are a scalper, that's going to be very beneficial. So all in all, the Funded Traders Global, they do tick a lot of boxes, okay? And one of the main, obviously, collaborations we're going to be doing with them is a free giveaway of a prop account, which I did previously. However, this time, we're going to be doing a giveaway of a 10 or 20,000 account. For the reason being, is it's a lot, I'm not going to say easier, but it's a lot more realistic for someone like yourself or somebody who wins the giveaway to actually pass and make it on through the 25k funded account. Because at the end of the day, if you can't manage $200, $500, how are you then going to manage a 200,000, 400,000 funded account? We're still going to try and keep it as realistic as possible. So yeah, on the website as well, they have a lot of education, so they're there to support you and they're not just sort of there to sell you a sort of challenge account and leave you to it. Craig's very supportive, very transparent and very reliable. I look forward to working with him. And then what we're going to be doing over the next week or two is posting the giveaway post, so make sure to turn your notifications on. Go over and follow the Funded Traders Global in the meantime, just in case you see any other giveaways. And yeah, we'll see you in the next reel.